Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day. Let me check. It's day 14. Yes, it is. Can you see that? Day 14? Wow, I'm so dark. Anyway, so welcome back to Vlogmas. I am making some Puerto Rican Coquito today, which is kind of like an eggnog, but without egg. It's kind of like a punch, a Puerto Rican punch. I'll get into it, but I did buy a blender. And it's a glass blender. This is the one that I purchased. It's an Oster, I think. That's how you say it. It was 30 bucks, so that works for me. Because I saw some like really expensive ones, like $70, $119, and I'm like, is that really necessary? Don't think so. So I got this, and I'm gonna be telling you how I'm gonna make this coquito. So get ready, be pumped, because it's gonna be delicious. And then you guys can invite me over for any parties because I can make coquito for you guys. Duh, hello. Let's get with it, guys. Oh, also, my mom got me a kettle because I love to drink tea, and I didn't have a kettle, and I've just microwaved the water. So I'm officially a kettle owner. So I'm just basically going through the process of like cleaning the residue out or something like that. Let me see, I'm reading the instructions. I'm actually reading the instructions, guys. Kettle preparation. So it basically says to boil water twice. So that you can get all of the production residue out. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that super cute? Look at that spout. Oh, adorable. So it's going to be boiling till it hits 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm pretty cool. I don't know if I told you guys that I'm actually heading to London this coming year. So I'm just prepping myself for all the delicious tea. And then once I get there, I'll be like, guys, I even have my own kettle. Like, don't even worry about it. I know about tea. Okay. But yeah, so I just wanted to share a little bit more with you guys before we get into the coquito. So let me get all the products together so that we can start making this bad boy. Okay, so we're gonna begin our coquito recipe, and this is Puerto Rican coquito, which is kind of like an eggnog, but it doesn't have any egg. Well, I'm gonna tell you the ingredients right now. So, Puerto Rican coquito, here we go. The first thing that we're gonna put in here is leche de coco. Then we're gonna put in crema de coco. Then we're gonna put evaporated milk, and I'm using the carnation one. Then we're gonna put sweet condensed milk. It also calls for a little bit of vanilla, and this is not vanilla imitation, it's vanilla extract. It also calls for cinnamon and cloves of cinnamon so that we can actually put it in the bottle, because I'm gonna be putting it in this bottle right here, which is like little topper, super cute. And then some people love to put rum in it. That's actually very traditional to do that. So I have some rum that I'm gonna be putting in there as well. And usually it's about 2 cups, but you can make it as strong as you'd like, or as not strong as you'd like. And that cabinet back there is really bugging me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and close it. Thank you. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and throw in here is the leche de coco, which is coconut milk. Oh man, you know what? Now that I put this in here, I remember us doing this like half the batch because this is not big enough. Oh, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I already started off wrong because I wasn't reading the directions as per usual. So it says 2 cups of leche de coco. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna start measuring stuff and then putting it in here. So here we go. Let's throw this back out here. Cream of coconut. Okay, so I'm gonna only use half of this because that's what the recipe calls for, only half of it. Oh, and I actually have to mix it because it's kind of gross, but it has like solidified and regular like coconut stuff. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. I forgot completely about this. Okay, let's put some of the juices in here. So I'm only using like about half of the can. And I'll use the other half for another batch. Okay, so that's in there, and now 1/12 ounce of evaporated milk, and this is how many ounces? 12 ounces, perfect. So the evaporated milk is gonna go in there now. And then it says condensed milk, which is this one, 14 ounces, and that's perfect. Okay, so 14 ounces of this gooey deliciousness. I don't know if you can see that, but ooh, it is sweet. Okay, so that's the last thing that I'm pouring. So I'm actually gonna pour this in here. Exactly what I didn't want to happen. It's splattered all over, but that's okay. Gotta get messy. Can you please? Okay, and then now we're gonna put this crazy deliciousness. That is a lot of condensed milk. 14 ounces, that's what it calls for. Okay, get in there, thanks. Okay, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So this is brand new, so let me go ahead and pop this off. And I'm actually only gonna put like 3/4 of the spoon or 3/4 of the spoon because I don't really like too much vanilla in mine. And then I'm gonna put some, oh, this is brand new too, okay. Here we go. I'm gonna put some ground cinnamon. And you can do as much as you want of this. It doesn't really say, it says like you can put it in if you want to. Okay. Okay, here we go, guys. Wait. I gotta plug this in. Hi, Deb, get it together. Get it together. Here we go, here we go. Now we're in business, okay. Okay, it's mixing the stuff. Okay. So it's very thick, as you see. It's kind of like that eggnog consistency. That's really good. So now that it's done, and it's mixed in, I'm actually glad that I tasted it because I feel like it needs more cinnamon. I like it very cinnamony. So I'm just gonna throw some more in there. I think that's a good amount. And I'm glad that I didn't put too much vanilla in it. Wow, I am so crooked. Hold on. It's really bugging me. Here we go. I'm glad that I didn't put that much vanilla because I don't really like that much vanilla in mine. So we're gonna go ahead and mix some more. So now the alcohol goes in. Now I don't believe that 2 cups is gonna be good in here. Meaning that I think it's gonna like fill it all the way to the top and it's not gonna have enough room to actually stir. So I'm gonna put a little bit in here. Or maybe just like half of it. And then start putting some alcohol in. Okay. And I'm gonna put some Bacardi in. So that's usually what we use. Some people like to use coconut flavored rum, but we don't because it just tastes very artificial. So it says for 2 cups. However, well, let's just see how it goes. This is 1 cup here, by the way. Okay. That's 1 cup. Just throw this back on here. Okay, so now that the alcohol is in, I'm actually gonna start putting it in this bottle here, but I'm gonna go to the sink because I know I'm gonna make a mess. So I will be right back, and then I'm gonna be, well actually, I'll be done. So basically after you pour this in, you put it in the fridge, chill it, and you typically want to have this type of drink in like little shot glasses. It's not like a whole cup or anything like that because there's so much sugar in this. But yeah, that is pretty much everything, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that you enjoyed my Vlogmas for today. This is something that's traditional in my culture, so I hope that you maybe try it out for yourself and enjoy. And happy holidays. All right, see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys that I'm gonna be putting cloves of cinnamon sticks, whatever you call them. So these are the cinnamon sticks that I'm gonna be putting in these bottles right here. And I usually put like 2 in here. So I'll put 1. Oh, that is filled to the top. It's mine anyway, so. And usually they just sink to the bottom. So now we're done. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.